Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to buy crypto on Binance step by step. Open your Binance account, verify your identity, and fund your wallet using a bank transfer or card. Start with small amounts, choose a paired market like BTC/USD, and use the basic buy widget for market or limit orders. Always enable two-factor authentication and store assets in a secure wallet after purchase. Review fees before confirming. Now I will walk through placing orders and managing risk in a clear, friendly way. Start with the Buy tab, select Market or Limit, and enter the amount you want to spend. Confirm the estimated fees and final quantity before you submit the order. If you plan to trade actively, consider setting price alerts and using stop-loss orders to manage downside risk and protect your capital. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for your car because trading crypto can get long and you deserve a pleasant commute. I promise it smells great and is tiny enough for any cup holder. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. I want to share practical security steps that are easy to implement and effective. Move long-term holdings to a hardware wallet and only keep trading funds on the exchange. Enable withdrawal whitelist and email confirmations to make unauthorized transfers harder. Regularly update your password and use a unique, secure email for your Binance account. These simple habits greatly reduce hacking risk and protect your crypto investment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.